After opening this box, it's called the LG UHD monitor. Yeah, you see all that, whatever it is. Now I got the 850 instead of the 650s because it comes with a speaker, the USB type C. You know, I need all that kind of stuff for future proofing. Well, anyways, this is the box. Let's go. Let's try lifting it. Be careful there. As you can see, it's the same. Nice side, see? Just do not open, whatever another side is. Anyway, it came in here. Now it tells you all this cool stuff. Now, I got it out already. You know, I played with this bad boy last night, and it's insane. That's why I'm making this damn video for everybody who owns an Xbox One. Using for the ends with a USB Type C. Yeah. And it also comes with a display port. This is the back of it. As you can see, it comes with two of the USBs. USB Type C, of course. Display port. Yeah, there's a headphone jack. HDMI, another HDMI, and the power, which it is. Now, when you're sitting in front of it, to power this on, it's in the bottom right here. See this button right here? That's the power. You click it. There you go. Oh, crap, my camera. This thing is wide. Look at that, to the iMac. That thing is wide as hell. If you were to pull this button to you, that pops up in the corner, just to see reference. If you were to go left or right, it adjusts your volume. If you were to press in, it gives you your settings of your inputs. Now when you do your inputs, this menu pops up to your left. I mean, when you press it to your left, this menu pops up to your right. HDMI 1, 2, display port, and USB-C. Now to exit, you gotta go to your left. Now to go to the right to settings. Now you can adjust your brightness on this thing. Of course, you got your volume, max audio. Now to go back, of course, you go on the left. Just like dialing, you know when you're like having a control surface on the bottom of your thing, there's different inputs. Of course, you can choose your aspect ratio. For example, you choose which input you want, and then you can go back, click that. And then there's the full, and then the original, which kind of makes it look weird, but go for full. And then the picture quality. Now this one, they have different HDR modes. So when it goes in HDR mode on the Xbox, which I'm gonna do another review on the Xbox One gaming with this. I'm just showing you the settings on this thing for this thing, or for this video. I don't know if you see it, but there's different qualities. Gaming is like the most adjusted color balance for your auto settings if you want to just plug in and, you know, play. So you can extend your FreeSync. I don't know if you see that, which is, the response time is really good on it. Then there's the sound, and then general, you know, like your language, as you see, power, LED, etc., etc. Now this right here on my eyes is much more lighter. This part's lighter, but the camera's making it auto dark. So this is much more lighter. Give it maybe like 3 Scotias of lighter, and this one right here a bit. Oh, it touched it, damn it. But yeah. Now this is going straight. Now look how detailed that damn thing is. You don't see those buttons. I know you won't see it because of the, you know, the rendering and all of that on the old one. Now let's go. Okay, so I'm zoomed in into this part of the map right here on the screen. See, I'm kind of zoomed in, so I just want to show you guys how sharp this thing is. This is PUBG. Now I'm giving you guys, I can give you guys better references, but I'm showing you a zoomed in version of my camera on PUBG. I'm not liking it, so I like playing on the monitor better. Now I'm gonna stop here. I don't want to continue on, you know, trying to show you guys how crap this is. Now I don't want to use my capture card, because my capture card, of course, is gonna show the Xbox quality. I want to show you guys, like, you know, what the hell I'm seeing here. because this is phenomenal. I'm sorry, but this is my first time having a damn 4K monitor, and this is, you know, an exception. I'm not trying to drive, don't worry. Just look at it. Now let's try Call of Duty. You know this. I'm showing this from the camera. I'm not gonna use my capture card to look at this. Alright. Let's see if we can find somebody. Is the guy there? No one's gonna kill me. I'm using one hand, don't forget. One hand, there you go, there you go, there you go, look at them. Why? Oh, they're chasing each other, punching. That's pretty good. You know? There's the true texture. This is zoomed in, so my camera's not really gonna give that full length, but I'm just trying to show you guys everything through my camera and not my capture card. I don't know if you guys see it right there. It's nicely detailed. Alright, so yeah, it's still, my white balance is still, that's supposed to be white, it's bluish. So you're gonna see just tinted of blue in my video here for my camera, which I'm so sorry about that, but I just wanted to show you guys this, and I hope you like this long, tedious review of this nice monitor, which I appreciate. Remember, don't forget, it's the LG. You right here, here it is. Here it is. The LG UHD monitor 4K, yeah, 27UK850. Alright, make sure you guys get this if you want to play. Right, get this if you want to play some insane sitting down gaming at a computer, you know, a table, or you want to play on a small table in your closet. It doesn't matter. This thing right here, I think there's another smaller version, but the 27